Gusto mo bang malaman kung paano hindi maloko ng fake beliefs at fake happiness? Sabi sa 3 John 1:4, I have no greater joy than to hear that my children are walking in the truth. Walking in the truth means not just knowing the Bible, but living it. Kasi marami sa atin, kabisado yung Bible verse, pero hindi nila ito ina-apply. Parang isang estudyante na nakatapos sa pag-aaral, pero mahina outside of school. In real life, walking in the truth protects you sa fake doctrines, sa toxic relationships, sa wrong decisions, sa temporary pleasures na may long-term damage. When you walk in the truth, you walk in freedom, you walk in clarity, you walk in God's direction. So don't just listen to the word, live it. Dahil ito ang tunay na faith.